Welcome to the Florida Weather Guy. I'm your forecaster, Jeff. This is our Sunday planner, and we're going to go over our forecast for Sunday. And as you can see, our forecast for Sunday, we're going to look at some high temperatures. Let's go back. Hang on a second. Go back. Okay, let's try this again. And as you can see, we got some high temperatures. And we got Chiefland coming in at 94 degrees. Crystal River at 93. Brooksville, a warm 95 degrees. Tampa at 95. Lakeland at 94. Arcadia at 97. Sarasota at 96. Fort Myers at 94. 95 at Fort Myers. Our rain chances are great around Chiefland and Crystal River, and then also in Arcadia and Fort Myers. These areas right here has the best chance of rain tomorrow. The rest of us are in 60% chance of rain tomorrow. This is our heat risk of excessive heat for Sunday, and all the way across, everybody's elevated for tomorrow. That's Chiefland, Crystal River, Brooksville, Lakeland, Seagreen, Arcadia, Fort Myers, in our Tampa Bay regional weather, which is this area right in here. For tomorrow, the weather is great for elevated heat risk for tomorrow. This is our national weather map, and as you can see, probably out west here, there is no areas of scattered thunderstorms, just a few pockets in Wyoming and Idaho and Nevada, and just a little bit into Nevada and California, Arizona, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, and the southern part of Indiana, and the central Indiana, central Illinois, and central Ohio, and parts of Michigan, all dry. Kansas and a little bit of Oklahoma, dry tomorrow. And the only severe weather possible, New Mexico, right in this area right here, is some flooding, and then Texas into Arkansas, possible some heavy rains with floods for tomorrow. And as you can see, no tropicals expected within the next 48 hours. This is our national radar for the southeast. And it's going to play through Sunday and a little bit into Monday. And as you can see, as the day goes on, we're going to be developing some storms, and they're going to be going this way. for tomorrow. We'll let that play just for a second. And as you can see, we got scattered storms in this general area in Florida right in here for tomorrow. This is our weather summary for tomorrow from the weather guy and your Tampa Bay regional weather. We have isolated thunderstorms mainly around 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and you're going to have a high of 94 tomorrow. In the afternoon, scattered afternoon p.m. thunderstorms. That's your Tampa Bay regional weather Florida guy. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, the Florida Weather Guy, and your Tampa Bay regional weather. Have a great day, and we will see you on the next one. Tomorrow evening's forecast and Monday's forecast. Bye for now.